Hello student, welcome to Max Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the BDL MT exam update. What was the expected exam date and month. All these things we will discuss in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video. And if you have any type of query related to this or any other things, do mention in comment box. And if you want to one-to-one interaction, do join our Telegram channel which I have mentioned in the description box. So let's begin with the videos. So as you are aware of that, BDL MT has already completed successfully for application, and now everyone is waiting for the examination date which has been scheduled as per the prior notification, but due to the COVID and other things the examination has been delayed. And now due to the all the examination has been conducted by teachers itself, so other exam is already lined up. Few other examination is already there, not for the engineering but other examination like banking examinations and some other like non-technical examination is already lined up. That's why they have not able to conduct the particular examination. And I have received literally more than 20-25 students with the same question, what was the expected exam date. But I don't know exactly what they have think about that. But you need to focus on your examination, how you need to approach that particular examination, what you need to study. Do not go other than these things, because if you are thinking about other parts, then your preparation is not completed on as per the time they have provided. So if you have a sufficient time, just revise multiple times and solve a question as much as possible. If you want, I have already started the PSU examination series for the thermodynamics. If you want, you can go on a playlist and just check the videos which I have uploaded yesterday itself. I have started that series, and definitely I'll sure that all the questions from the thermodynamic definitely come from that particular videos, because that questions cover almost all the topic of different examination which they have mentioned it. I have only made for the one videos as of now, but few more parts is still coming. Due to time restriction, I haven't made that particular video, but I'm sure about that you need to at least go that video so that you have idea how and what type of questions they have asked. So going ahead with the date, you can expect the examination date in last week of November or first week of December, and before that at least revise twice whole syllabus along with the test as well. And make sure that you do not skip any of the topic, because you have sufficient time to solve all the portions of non-technical as well as technical. And make sure that you need to have some short tricks for the numerical aptitude question. If you stuck in that particular thing, then you are not able to clear that particular examination, because that type of examination is time based examination. I have already prepared a strategy of that particular videos, so you need to at least cover that particular thing along with the shortcut. If you solve that similar question with the normal method, it's difficult to get the answer. So make sure that you need to have some shortcuts so that you are able to solve same question within a less time. And one more thing, do not skip any of the topic from the technical things. Like if you think about the material science and production, having a lots of weightage in PSU examination, but the least weightage in a few other examination like SSC JEs and GATE as well, because GATE having a numerical portion, but in a PSU examination having theory questions. Even though they have same they have told that the same portion of GATE exactly as a BDL examination, but do aware of that the question which they have asked is mostly as like as a PSU examination, because the questions are time dependent. You need to solve number of questions are more as compared to the time which they have provided. So make sure that you have practice of that type of question as well. So I think that's all for this video. If you need any other suggestion, do mention in comment box. If you want to give a feedback our videos, do mention in comment as well. And if you want one-to-one interaction, do join our Telegram channel which I mentioned in the description box. If you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.